In 1960, a man stepped off a bus in Argentina. To everyone around him, he looked ordinary, quiet, forgettable. But hidden nearby, someone was watching him. For weeks, they had followed his routine. The same road, the same bus stop, every night. Because this man was not just a fugitive. He was one of the most wanted Nazis in the world. His name was Adolf Eichmann, and Mossad had finally found him. After World War II, many Nazi officials disappeared. Some were captured, others escaped forever. Eichmann vanished without a trace. For years, investigators searched across Europe. Nothing. Then suddenly, a new lead appeared. A former Nazi officer might be hiding in Argentina, using a fake name. Mossad took the report seriously. Soon, agents entered Buenos Aires secretly. Fake passports, fake identities. No mistakes allowed. They rented apartments near the target area. Then the surveillance began. Days passed. Nothing unusual happened. Until one evening, a man stepped off a bus on Garibaldi Street. The agents watched carefully. Older face, different hairstyle, but the features matched almost perfectly. At that moment, everything changed. This was no longer a search. It was now a manhunt. Mossad agents studied his routine every day. What time he left, what time he returned, which streets stayed dark at night. Every detail mattered. Because if the operation failed, Argentina could arrest every agent involved. Several plans were discussed. A sniper attack, a forced disappearance, even assassination. But Israel wanted him alive. They wanted a public trial. On May 11, 1960, the mission began. Agents waited near the roadside. Then the bus arrived. Eichmann stepped off and started walking home. One agent moved behind him, slowly, carefully. Then suddenly, they grabbed him. Eichmann struggled for a few seconds, but it was over quickly. Within moments, he disappeared into a waiting car. One of the world's most wanted men had vanished again, but this time Mossad had him. Eichmann was taken to a secret safe house. Guards watched him constantly. Nobody outside knew where he was. Meanwhile, time was running out. If Argentina discovered the mission, everything could collapse. Then Mossad prepared the final stage, the escape. Eichmann was drugged and disguised. An airline uniform was placed on him. He looked like an injured crew member. Heavily sedated, he was transported to the airport, past security, past officials, past everyone. Then finally, he was placed aboard an Israeli aircraft. The plane departed Argentina before anyone realized the truth. The mission had succeeded. Soon after arriving in Israel, Adolf Eichmann stood trial before the world. For many Holocaust survivors, it was a moment they thought would never come. One of the architects behind Nazi crimes had finally been captured. Mossad's operation became legendary. A covert surveillance mission, a secret kidnapping, and a high-risk escape inside another country, all to capture a man who believed he had disappeared forever. Decades later, Operation Finale remains one of Mossad's boldest covert missions ever attempted.